So one additional quantity is this concept of metallic character. It's a little more vague than other quantities. We can't really put numbers on how much of a metal it is, but metals generally react to lose electrons. They're more ductile, more malleable as well, but the biggest characteristic is that the metals generally lose electrons, right? You know, silver, copper, iron. You don't see anions at all. You see positive numbers, and non-metals generally react to gain electrons. So we generally see that on the left-hand side of the periodic table, things are more metallic, and on the right-hand side, they're less metallic. At the bottom, they're more metallic. They're more likely to lose electrons. Those electrons are a little further from the nucleus. And up top, you're more likely to gain electrons. Those have higher energy. So we can see the metallic character increases as you're going this way, and then also increases as you're going down. It increases as you go back up the rows, it increases as you go down. But generally, this is just a reflection of it's moving opposite in the direction of electron affinity, and ionization energy increases. So as the ionization energy increases, it's harder to pull electrons off. As the electron affinity increases, it tends to like gaining new electrons more. So really, when you look at metallic character or metallicity, it's really just a reflection of being the opposite of the trends in electron affinity and ionization energy. Electron affinity says, I want more electrons. Ionization energy says, it's harder to pull electrons away from me. Those are ways you deviate from the neutral ions. And metallic character would be the opposite of that. It doesn't like electrons as much, and it's easier to pull them off. So metals generally lose electrons, non-metals generally gain electrons. And so that's those are the periodic trends. There's certainly far more periodic trends, but those are the main ones that we look at, and those are the ones that really govern what's going on in reactivity, how easy it is to pull an electron off, how many electrons are accessible to bond, and we'll talk a lot more about those